Hello, what's up YouTube? It's Killerrain Gold. I'm back here today. Kitty ears. Luscious, so pretty. Got my nails, did them myself. You can check it. Rainbow. Very beautiful. I like the hair. I just pulled it back. So you guys can see my face better when I put my makeup on. I'll show you the things that I'll be working with today. Okay, this is Too Faced. It's rainbow. Looks very, very nice. And this is the looks of it. Looks are very, very stunning. When I seen it, I had to get it because it had rainbow, had like the very nice shine to it. Plus it's rainbow, of course I have to have it. I'm queer, duh. Okay, let me see if I have enough arm to do a swipe test. I might. Maybe on this arm. I could do a swipe test on this arm. And there are all the colors. I swatched them onto my arm. I really like that pink there. Like, they're all beautiful colors. Some didn't show up as good as others, but doesn't mean they're not as good. And that is it for the palette, but beautiful shine, guys. Beautiful shine. Okay, I wanted to show you guys my beautiful mirror. Looks so beautiful, colorful, jawbreaker color. It was supposed to be for my girl, but she did not come to me, so this is mine. Shine, shine, guys. Beautiful. And my last product I was going to show you guys, Too Faced highlighter. Very, very beautiful. Different container from the last one. And I'll show you the shine to this. Very, very shineful. Not much, no smell really. Ooh. Really shiny. Really, really shiny. Okay, moving on to the palette. I'm gonna try to use as many colors as I can. I will try. Getting down to business. I'll put my palette over here so I can visually get to it. Okay. What's my ideas? Okay. I'm gonna start off with lighter pink. Yeah, I'll go with. I'm gonna go with the Young, Wild, and Free. It's like a really, really light pink. Ooh. It's very pigmenty for pink. Beautiful. Okay, moving on to the next color. We're gonna go. I just used this color. We're gonna move on to this color. It's a really good combination. I really love the color of the makeup so far. It's beautiful. So sexy gay. It's like really sexy gay. I like it. I like it. Okay. Moving on to the third color. We're gonna go with. I'm gonna go with this color. Really seems really shimmery and nice. Ooh. It's so sexy. I love it. My nail broke. Ooh. Sad. I really like that color a lot. I'm gonna fix up my face. It looks very beautiful. Maybe add one. Maybe I can add one more color. Hmm. That blue looks good right there. Very beautiful. I'm going to be moving on to the highlighter. This is the highlighter. Showed you a little bit of it earlier. Knocked two of my nails off. Very sad already. Very, very sad already. I'll put a little bit on my cheeks. See how that goes. Oh. Max Glow. That is very nice. Yeah, I just used my fingers just to make it a little easier today. Because today I was just a little frustrated and a little very hot. So I was getting very frustrated, but I'm not gonna end the day bad. Take pictures, enjoy myself, love the world, and probably hang out with my cats, probably have coffee, meet some new people, and probably chill. But that is the highlighter, and put a little highlighter up in here. Okay. Okay, I like that actually. Has a freaking nice shine to it. Okay, I forgot to do one thing. I forgot to add unicorn tears. So I'm going to add that. Oops. Add a little bit of unicorn tears into the blend here. Okay. Okay, it looks sexy as fuck. Like the look that it turned. Really sexy. Okay, moving on to the last step. Lipstick. This is Jeffree Star's, one of his older ones, but still very, very beautiful. It's not too old. It smells, the smell of it smells like berry fruit roll-ups. Like, I think you can get it for like $10 to $20. But it's so damn beautiful. So damn beautiful. Ooh, sexy as fuck. I like that. Daddy likes that. Daddy's gonna sleep great tonight. Well, thank you guys for watching. I'm a little sweated up, but other than that, looks so perfect. Thank you guys. I want to tell you guys, I'm going to be making a lot of new videos. I'm going to be sexy as fuck. I'm going to try to be less naked, so you guys can be excited. Try to get my butt bigger over time. I love highlighters. I love everything with Jeffree. So, I'm pretty excited for anything new that he's supposed to be coming out with soon. Goodbye, guys. Hopefully you like my 80s emo-ish look. This is like me head to toe. I know that's like model sexy status. Well, thank you guys. I really do love you guys. One love. Goodbye.